Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide your about information on WhatsApp. If you prefer to keep your personal details private, this feature will help you control who can see your about section. Follow these simple steps, and you'll have full control over your WhatsApp privacy. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before you proceed. Step 2. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a menu with different options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you'll find all the privacy settings for your account, including who can see your profile photo, status, and about information. Step 4. Next, tap on About Nearby. This section lets you control who can view the message you have set in your About section. Step 5. Finally, tap on Choice Nobody. This will hide your about information from everyone, ensuring that only you can see it. If you ever want to make it visible again, you can come back to this setting and select a different option. That's it. You've successfully hidden your about on WhatsApp. Now, no one will be able to view it. This is a great way to protect your privacy and have more control over what others see on your profile. Remember, you can always change this setting later if you want to make your about visible to certain people or to everyone again. Just follow the same steps and you can customize your privacy however you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.